Welcome to Seasons blog. Wider network, better visibility, stronger rails. Making sense of Yield 3.0 and Seasons' ongoing expansion. We've been shipping so much lately and so fast that the bigger picture can get obscured amidst the excitement of individual announcements. Zoom out though and you see a clear pattern. With the Node Software v2 deployment, Seasons got its second major protocol upgrade. Builder nodes have been accumulating yield since then. Beyond that, we expanded the terminal, launched GAIA, your dedicated Seasons companion, and put her inside our official Telegram website and terminal. And we moved Yield 3.0 distributions onto custom rails, making the process 142 times capital efficient. Each release was meant to solve a specific problem, but together they've been optimized to make Seasons easier to enter, easier to track and understand, and better prepared for the scale we're on track to achieve over the coming months. A second door into Yield 3.0. Before Node Software v2, holding 10,000 plus Cs was the only way to start earning yield as a Seasons node. The August upgrade introduced Builder Nodes, a second operating tier for qualifying Solana wallets holding 1,000 to 9,999 Cs. That lowered the starting balance threshold by 10 times and created a productive middle layer between ordinary Cs ownership and director status. Builders and directors serve distinct roles within this new two-tier framework. Builder nodes, or lightweight operators, earn yield in Cs, while director nodes continue to receive direct-to-wallet payouts in the full 3-asset inclusion set twice weekly, functioning as heavyweight network operators. Notably, Builder nodes are designed to be outgrown. They receive yield in building materials. That is, the same asset that once collected and held moves them closer to the next, more consequential director tier. This way, the journey from builder to director pays for itself, since every Cs held above the qualifying threshold contributes to a wallet's node weight. The more you hold, the greater the portion of subsequent payouts you can receive. By making yield 10 times more accessible, builder nodes thus unlock a wider network, and their progression arc boosts participation depth. More wallets can now take an active role, while each tier gets its own mechanics, weightage logic, and a productive function within Yield 3.0. The network is thus expanding inward and outward at the same time. That said, wallets with 1,000 plus Cs have already been accumulating Cs-denominated yield since August 3rd, alongside the established semi-weekly cadence for directors. Meanwhile, a dedicated claim button for builders is already in production and will be available on Seasons Terminal very soon. This will allow active builders to collect their accumulated yield, use the payout tokens however they like, and capitalize on the compounding flywheel mentioned above. Enhancing visibility across the growing network. As Yield 3.0 expands, we're actively working to make it more transparent and visible across touchpoints. Releasing Terminal v0.1.2 was a key step in this direction. It introduced 3 tailored views that adapt to where someone is in their Yield 3.0 journey. It also shipped with a live Cs price chart, distribution history with asset-level breakdowns, network-wide node rankings, and a dedicated activation progress view. Moreover, we introduced a new network section to provide visibility beyond individual wallets. Now anyone can track the network's overall performance, node activity, and other key metrics, even if they don't own a node yet. What's more, our newly released Growth Automation and Intelligence Agent, aka GAIA, extends the visibility boost from data to a user's understanding of Yield 3.0 and Seasons as a whole. Accessible via our official Telegram community, website, and terminal, GAIA serves as your dedicated Seasons companion and answers your questions about our core processes, key concepts, payouts, and more. So while the terminal lets you track your Yield 3.0 journey and shows what's happening across the network, GAIA helps clear your doubts and provides clarity by explaining how the system works. Together, they make Seasons and Yield 3.0 more coherent from an information standpoint. Building custom rails to support further growth. Making Seasons optimally capital efficient has been one of our core commitments since day one. But it's even more important now, given the extent to which we strive to scale the network through this quarter and beyond. That's why, at round number 70, we shipped a custom distributor and moved Yield 3.0 payouts onto software we own and control. This upgrade reduced the third-party fees we paid for each distribution from 1.5 SOL to 0. Our payouts are thus at least 142 times more cost-efficient, with enough buffer to retain this level of efficiency until the network scales more than 12 times from here. Nearly 4,000 new nodes can join before the distributor's core capacity requires another upgrade. As of August 17, 2026, our custom distributor has moved 3 more payouts with 0 downtime, each costing under $1 to run. And in addition to this sustained efficiency boost, handling a critical function like yield distributions in-house gives us more protocol-level autonomy, which, in turn, increases the system's overall scope for retaining and redistributing value among users. One system, multiple facets, all moving together. In a nutshell, every recent release strengthens Seasons from a different direction. Every layer reinforces the others. Builder nodes widen participation. Terminal and GAIA make the expanding network easier to track and understand. And the custom distributor gives this growth faster, more autonomous, and more capital-efficient rails underneath. Moreover, the ongoing expansion goes beyond the product itself. We've launched official Seasons pages on Facebook and Instagram, extending our social footprint and creating more places for people to follow our updates and see what we're building. And meanwhile, the next product layer is already in production. Terminal will soon display builder-specific data alongside the dedicated claim button, making the builder journey trackable from accumulation through collection. We're also developing more integrations and features for GAIA, extending it across more Seasons touchpoints, and expanding how users interact with official Seasons knowledge. Thus, overall, we're ushering in a wider network, better visibility, and stronger rails. And with every piece falling into place, Seasons is increasingly becoming one coherent system that grows on all fronts. The flywheel, though, is only getting started, and it's still early. So if you're still on the sidelines, start your Yield 3.0 journey today and just let it grow.